This is the elevator at the Henry Buhl Library, Grove City College in Grove City, Pennsylvania. This is originally, please don't be loud. Okay, China's what? Otis door quitter, I think they use Unitec. This is originally 1996 Schindler, probably had NT fixtures, but it was modernized in 2022 by Industrial Commercial. I don't know if 2's open. No, it doesn't look open. Oh no, it does look here. I think it flickers on the camera, but not in person. Here, 2. A little bit more door. Here's 2. We'll go back to ground. Yeah, it doesn't even work. It has an Otis like door equipment. It's a basic and nice redone cab. It's actually, yeah, it's pretty nice. I don't know what the carburetor does. Might do the stack floor, but I don't know. It's car 26 here back at ground. There's this like speaker button. Here back at ground. That's gonna be here. I can see the Schindler over there. I didn't even notice that before.